going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be removing this sunroof. We're going to be putting on a carbon fiber, which is lighter one and better one, because this one is pretty much sunbeat, not sunbeat, saved by this one. So as you can see, what a big difference. Let's put the carbon fiber one, and to reduce some weight, and besides, this thing is already like rust, so it's better off to just replace it with something else. And here it is, carbon fiber sunroof panel. That is the heart from the eaves to the bay. All right, that's fairly simple and easy to do. Just take out the 10mm on each side, lift up the stuff, and there's a bump stop on the front where this thing goes. From the inside, you just lift it up and you can see, push it forward a little bit. There are two screws, and one on each side, one here, one on that side. So yeah, it's fairly easy to do, to remove. So that's about it. The bump stop on the other side broke off. That's probably why this sucker is not closing right. Let's open this up. Are, and there's still, I mean, it's still wrapped. You know, this thing came with a big box. I guess the seller really cares about this product, or her product. That's nice enough that they put it in a big box so it doesn't crack or anything. So let's see the quality of this. Get the other side. Hold on. It's just like a unboxing it kind of stuff. Man, I hate that dog. It's barking all the time for no reason. It's like a German Shepherd. I love German Shepherd, but this neighbors of mine barks all the time. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. All right, so basically this is the old one. This is the new one. Obviously, I'm gonna remove all the nuts and the parts that are in here, and basically transfer it over here. So everything is already ready to go, and you know, the holes are nicely placed on it. So I'm gonna basically transfer. So let's do a transplant, and I'll be right back. I just go ahead and remove all the 10s. It's all rusted over here. Yikes. Won't even come off. There you go. Some parts are 10, some parts are 8. So these are 10s, 8s on the inside. So I'm gonna be just transplanting it one by one. Uh-oh, that sucks. Look, it doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to make it bigger. Look at that. Let's take all this out. Oh, some of them are like totally rusted. So we're gonna transplant it every pieces, that way I don't mess around with the, oh man, this is what I hate right here. It doesn't fit, son of a bitch. Look at that. Oh, sorry, my language. Look at that, it doesn't fit. Darn it. Okay, so now basically the idea is to take everything out and transplant it to the other side. A lot of this fucking thing, oh, sorry about, this kind of made me upset. A lot of these things are not fitting correctly, so I'll be right back, and let's just remove all these things right here. you know, like precisely like not crooked on the car, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it'll be straight. So that's that. Take all this out. I like that sound when work on this. Okay, so let's take this out. Transfer it on the other side. What else? All right, so first thing you need to do when you transfer everything, put the rubber first, as I did on this one. Put the rubber and then the rest is history. Just put everything back. Some of them are not fitting correctly, like some of the hinges right over here, which I'm gonna have to make a bigger hole. Cross fingers that is gonna be precisely, you know, put on when, I mean, a line on the car when I put it back on. So I just kind of dread that right now, because if this is not precise, guess what? The alignment to the rail is not going to be precise. So hope, cross fingers that everything is going to be okay. So I'm going to have to drill a little bit of the holes right here, line them up. Not only this, but also some of this are not lining up on those, on the side of those screws. So whatever, let's do this. All right, so the sun sets a little bit. Everything is on the car. I mean, on the car. Everything is on the other part. I did a lot of drilling on this damn thing. A lot of it, actually. So let's put everything back and hope for the best that everything is aligned. I can already tell this thing is kind of crooked. So that one's straight on the other side. See how straight that is? So let's find out. Let's go. Let's go. Everything is latched on. I'll catch you on my next video. Please subscribe if you can, and God bless. Take care, everyone. Bye.